Next is Ganga river basin. Ganga river basin. Right. So, what are the main regions through which Ganga flows? India, Nepal, Bangladesh, or China? Bangladesh. And in the Ganga, right? Brahmaputra is China. Right? 26% area in India. Ganga river basin is 26%. Last one, 26% area in India. 26% area in India. 1/4. 40% of the population lives in India's population. 40% of India's population lives in this area. That means 1/4. Okay. Longest river in India 2525. Longest river in India. Longest river 2525 kilometers square. 2525 kilometers square. Okay. Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bangladesh. Close to Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bangladesh. These are the regions. Okay, Ganga regions. Where the Ganga starts and where it flows. So next you see here. Where the Ganga starts and where the Ganga flows. Right? Ganga starts from here and flows like this. This region, this is your, it starts from Gangotri Glacier. Gangotri Glacier. It starts from Gangotri Glacier. Okay, here there is a dam called Terai Dam. Teri Dam. T-E-R-I. Teri Dam. And all they confluence at Devrayag. Okay, here Alaknanda confluences chapter. Okay, Devrayag. So when it comes to Haridwar, okay, when the river comes to Haridwar దగ్గర నుంచి H for Haridwar దగ్గర నుంచి దాని పేరు గంగా. అంతకు ముందు దాని పేరు అలకనంద. ఓకే, తమన్నా. రైట్ క్లియర్? సో H for Haridwar. ఓకే, దానికి ముందు అలకనంద. దాని తర్వాత గంగా. ఇట్ ఇస్ ఫార్మ్. Then from Haridwar it enters into Rishikesh. R for Rishikesh. H for Haridwar. Rishikesh. R for Rishikesh. Then it enters into Kanpur. A for Kanpur. P for Prayagraj. P for Prayagraj. Prayagraj. Then Varanasi. P for Varanasi. Varanasi. Okay. Varanasi. Then P for Patna. P for here we have Patna. P for Patna. Here you have one barrage. That is called Farakka barrage. Okay. Here it is called. There is one more river that joins here. Which is river Hooghly. Hooghly river. Hooghly river. Kolkata. Here you have Farakka barrage. Barrage. Farakka barrage. Farakka barrage. Then there is one Farakka barrage. So here you have Kolkata. Here Kolkata. A for whole. And this river, Hindi, here it is called Padma. Then here, just draw it. Padma. Sir, proceed to next. We also pay to both rounds. Adena? Draw down. Now, the reverse. Alaknanda starts. Satopar glacier. Satopant glacier. Pant glacier. ఇక్కడి నుంచి అలకనంద స్టార్ట్. ఓకే Satopant glacier. Chamoli district. Chamoli. Monday का फ्लड सच है. Cloud burst है. Chamoli district start. This is what called as Alaknanda. That's what Alaknanda. Okay, here Badrinath production to Badrinath beach. Badrinath. Badrinath beach. This is Badrinath place. Okay, this is Badrinath. Is it clear? That is a Badrinath. Here, there is also, it is also called as Valley of Flowers. Yes, it is Valley of Flowers National Park. Valley of Flowers National Park. This is your Valley of Flowers area. Valley of Flowers National Park. Valley of Flowers. Flowers National Park. Actually, this is Alpine National Park. Alpine. Temperate region 500. Alpine National Park. This is called this. Valley of Flowers National Park. Okay, draw along with me. Then we have Badrinath. Then Dhauli-Ganga meets Alaknanda, Vishnuprayag. Dhauli-Ganga meets Alaknanda. Okay, Dhauli-Ganga. PG means Dhauli-Ganga. Dhauli-Ganga. Ganga means this is VP Vishnuprayag. Vishnuprayag. This is Vishnuprayag. Okay, Gauri Ganga meets Alaknanda. It is called Vishnu Prayag. Then Nandakini river meets Alaknanda, Nand Prayag. Nandakini river. Then we have Nandakini river. Nandakini river. Okay, this is what? Vishnu Prayag. This is your Nand Prayag. Nand Prayag. NP. NP for NP. Nand Prayag. Nand Prayag. Vishnu Prayag. Nand Prayag. BP for Vishnu Prayag. BP for Vishnu Prayag. Okay. Gauri Ganga. Okay. Then Nandakini river. Then Pindai river. Pindai. We have Pindai river. Here we have Pindai. Pindai river. Pindai river. KP. Karan Prayag. KP. Karan Prayag. Prayag. Karan Prayag. Okay, KP Karan Prayag. Karan Prayag. Okay. Then Mandakini river, Kedarnath glacier. Mandakini river. So Mandakini rivers. Then we have Mandakini river. Mandakini river. Mandakini river. This glacier is called Kedarnath. Kedarnath glacier. Kedarnath glacier. Kedarnath glacier. And this is called Mandakini river, Rudra Prayag. RP. Rudra Prayag. RP. Rudra Prayag. Okay, Rudra Prayag. In current Prayag, between Nand Prayag and Vishnu Prayag, between Nand Prayag and Vishnu Prayag, here you have J, Joshimath. J for Joshimath. Badrinath Kelalante is a stopover. Okay, Rudra Prayag. That is. Then Gangotri glacier nunchi Nand this Gangotri glacier nunchi there is a Bhagirath river. Bhagirath. Gangotri glacier. This is called Dev Prayag. This is DP, Dev Prayag. That's all. Right? This is Dev Prayag. Dev Prayag. This is Gangotri glacier. Gangotri glacier. And this river is called Bhagirath river. This river is Bhagirath. 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 Before Bhagirath river. Bhagirath river. This Prayag, then you can see a river which flows like this. Okay, then the river is here. The river is flowing. Ganga river. ఇక్కడ నుంచి హరిద్వార్ రిషికేష్ H for హరిద్వార్ ఇక్కడ రిషికేష్ R for రిషికేష్ There is what Ganga, and from Yamunotri glacier. This is Yamuna. From Yamunotri glacier. First we look like your Ganga. This is your Yamuna. Here we have Alaknanda, AL. Then the project AL, Alaknanda. Then we have Ram Ganga, RG, Ram Ganga. Then we have Gomti. We have Gomti River, GO Gomti River, Gomti. Then Bhagra. This is your Bhagar River, GH. As is you draw at the names. Bhagar River. Okay, Bhagar River. Then Gadak River. Then we have Gadak. GA, Gadak River. GA, Gadak. Then Buri Gadak. BG, Buri Gadak. Then we have Kosi. Here for Kosi. Okay, Kosi. Then Mahananda River. F for Mahananda. Then here we have the beauty called Hooghly. H for Hooghly. Okay. Then Son River. This is your Son. S for Son. This is Yamuna. F for Yamuna. M for last. A for AL for Alaknanda. Okay. Then RG. Ram Gopal Verma. Clear? Okay. Then Gomti, GO. Same question. Mama UPSC 2024 prelims you are getting. Arrange from left to right. And yes, Gomti. Then Agra. Then we have Gadak. GA. Gandak River. Then Buri Gandak. Then K for Kosi River. Then Mahananda River. Then we have S for Son River. Then H for Hooghly River.